My client is making 151 Danish krona. I mean 23 to 24,000 US dollars in just 1 month with their Shopify store. So how is that possible? When they came to us, their sales was a little bit lower because of sending less data to Facebook, because they are making their revenue through Facebook advertising, and currently they are not sending correct data to Facebook, and there were so many discrepancies in the data. So they came to us, and they came to us for the sake of setting up their metapixel, but we made them to take our Facebook conversion API service, because Facebook conversion API helps them to get more accurate data, and the more accurate data we can send to any platform, the more the ads will be optimized. So eventually they took our this service, and they the become the retainer of us. They are, for each and every tracking and GFO related setup, they come to us and we set up their tracking. So I we have set up their Facebook conversion API, and then their Google Ads server side tracking, and GA4. So with Google Tag Manager, right? So you might be asking that why we are not referring the built-in apps of Shopify. Because Google Tag Manager gives you a lot more flexibility, and you can send more and more important data to for Facebook to increase the event match quality. You know, so we did that, and they are now getting more customers, getting more conversion rate, and their sales too. Although the orders, as you can see, that it is lower, maybe they're not running ads, I don't know why. So if you want to get such kind of result, I highly recommend you to set up, Facebook conversion API for your business. And if you are just testing your product to understand that whether it is a market fit or not, then I will recommend you to go for setting up the Facebook conversion API, and then test it on TikTok conversion API, and then you know Google Ads would be okay, because maybe you have selected some product which most of the people aren't considering that this is necessary for them. So you are trying to generate the you know awareness that, hey, you have the problem but you're not looking at it. So if you can teach those 64% people, because 64% people are not problem aware. So if you can show them, this is your problem, you have to fix it. So you can sell them very easily. So uh, we can do it with Facebook ads and TikTok ads, right? And on Google ads, mostly people are very hyper targeted. They are searching for something, and then you are showing your product. So first of all, you can start with Facebook and TikTok ads, and for that you need to set up the Facebook conversion API and TikTok conversion API. And then after getting some traction, people will go to Google and search with your brand name. In this regard, you have to run brand awareness, you know PPC search on Google, searchers on Google, so that people won't straight away to another competitors of you. So it is better to run Google ads at that particular time. Last but not least, I want to say that you need to set up your Google Analytics 4, because with the Google Analytics 4, you'll be able to understand that where the customers are coming in. You will see the source, you will see the bounce rate, and you will also see some data like, how you'll see the funnel, like how many people have viewed their product, view content, how many people view content. Or the top of the funnel is how many people came to your landed on your website, like page view, right? And then how many people do the view content, and then how many people added to their cart, right? And then you will also learn that how many people initiated checkout, right? And then last of the bottom of the funnel is how many people made their purchase, right? So I will highly recommend you to set up GF4. And currently, GF4 has made a very a good update. Like they are giving you um, they are giving you to understand that understand meta cost. You can, from the data source, uh, you know you can import the meta ads cost, or TikTok ads cost, Snapchat, Pinterest ads cost. So you don't have to go for triple whale or anything, any third party tools. You just have to stick with the GA4, and you will be able to understand whether how your business is performing and how not. So I highly recommend you to go for proper tracking. And if you need this kind of service, then please um, message me on WhatsApp. I'll be able to, yeah, I'll talk to you, and we'll proceed further with your project. So thank you for watching this video.